Well, the Health Science Biotechnology program at Pioneer High School has been in existence actually for, close to a decade, and it has been developing over that time frame. It's not just learning from a book. They learn through experimentation, through activities in the field, through going out to different hospitals or veterinary offices or law enforcement locations, and there is real life application for what they do.
We have 4 major units. So the first unit we do in the fall, and it's a genetics techniques unit, and we do it in coordination with Sonoma State University. In the second unit that we do microbiology. Students learn all kinds of microbiology techniques, aseptic technique. They learn how to grow bacteria and kill bacteria with antibiotics. We do lots and lots of different experiments where kids get to use the Bunsen burners and they get to light stuff on fire. Most of the students in the program are interested in the medical field, whether it's nursing or being a doctor, being a physician. We have a lot of community connections, but we basically base the entire unit on a doctor's office visit. You get weighed and you might look at a growth chart, you get your blood pressure taken, all of your vital signs, and so the students get to do all of that. So they'll do everything from blood typing to urinalysis. One of the students will play the role of the physician or the medical assistant, and the other person will play the role of the patient, and they switch roles. In the final unit, we do an environmental unit when we work with the city of Santa Rosa. And then finally, the students end that semester by doing a field study where they go pick a particular area that they're interested in, usually a riparian area, and they do something similar. They go and monitor the habitat, they look at related plants and animals that live there, identify them, and then they do all the water quality testing that goes along with that. I can say overall that the course is definitely a hands-on, student-centered course. We try to design curriculum that will get kids active and not just reading out of textbooks, although we do a little bit of that. It's a very active course where kids are collecting data and doing science.
Year 2 is actually a program that really focuses on anatomy physiology. The first part of our year is to focus on nutrition. Give kids an opportunity to look at their daily nutritional habits and really evaluate whether or not they're eating healthy. Second semester primarily focuses on sports medicine and athletic training. While anatomy is still a major part of it, we look at assessment of injuries, treatment of injuries, prevention of injuries in the sports field. Every student learns how to tape an ankle, tape a wrist, tape a knee, shoulders as well. The biggest part of year 2 is to give them a lot of variety, a lot of experience with the rigor of anatomy, because it's one of the most difficult classes that they'll take in college, and hopefully spawn a little bit of more interest in that field that can maybe create some more confidence as they move into their college life. But we try to give them a large breadth of information that they can utilize as they go to college and really can help them be successful.
In HSB 3, we do health science and biotechnology. When we study health science, we look at it in an academic way, looking at the medical terminology, and then try to take the biotech piece and see how it all fits together. What we really like about our HSB program is how we prepare our students for their career. And what we are is a group of future health professionals, and students get a lot of experience doing this program. In the past, we've had students up at Pet Care, Safari West, over at Memorial, Kaiser, Sutter clinics, pretty much everywhere around Sonoma County. It gives them a great professional advantage when they can already see which career they know they're going to like and which career maybe didn't really have all of the criteria that they were looking for. So the job shadows are very helpful when it comes to that.
The teachers all work together very collaboratively. They're very supportive of one another. They work on common curriculum. I could not ask for a stronger team. I am really proud of my instructors, and I'm really proud of our students.